Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Recently, I uploaded a short of making a rose quartz bracelet with a rose clasp, which is quite a meaningful and special jewelry as a holiday gift. So today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bracelet. Materials we need for this bracelet: 10 mm rose quartz from Mozambique. It has a light pink color, but with good clarity. And then 925 sterling silver rose clasp. And 2 spacer beads, which will be placed on both sides of the clasp. And 2.4 mm positioning beads, 0.5 mm stainless steel wire with plastic coating, and wrist gauge. For measuring the wrist size, let's make it 6.5 inches as a sample bracelet. Prepare the wire. Thread the positioning bead first, and then thread one of the loops like this, and then fold the wire. Make sure it goes through the same positioning bead like this. Now adjust the bead and then use the plier Now, this end, thread 1 spacer bead and 1 rose quartz bead. Okay, you see this little wire here. Now we cut it a little bit. So the wire can hide in the hole. Now thread the rest of the beads. Now measure it. Thread the spacer bead and the positioning bead again. And this wire goes through the other loop of the clasp. And goes back to the same positioning bead like this. Use the plier and pour it all over. Hold the positioning bead. Now cut the wire. And you see the wire end here. Okay, tuck it in the spacer bead like this, so you don't see any wire. Now make sure the positioning bead is in the right position. Clamp both positioning beads again, and then check it. Very easy making and beautiful. All materials are available in DIY Notion store. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.